In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Clover sales to QuickBooks Online. This is a handy integration that can help streamline your business operations by automatically syncing your sales data from Clover directly into QuickBooks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless connection that saves you time and helps keep your financial records up to date. Let's get started. First, once you've logged into your QuickBooks Online account, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll want to click on the Apps section. This is where you can find and manage all the applications that are compatible with QuickBooks, providing you the flexibility to enhance your accounting and management capabilities. Next, navigate to the Find Apps tab. This is your gateway to exploring the vast library of integrations available to enhance QuickBooks. In the search bar presented on this page, type in Clover by Commerce Sync. This is the specific app we'll be using to connect your Clover sales data with QuickBooks Online. Once you've searched for Clover by Commerce Sync, click on its listing to be directed to the app's detail page. Here, you can explore all the benefits and details about the app. This information is pivotal in understanding exactly how the integration will work and what features might be the most beneficial for your business needs. It's always a good practice to review these details to ensure the app meets your specific requirements. After reviewing the app details and benefits, look for the Get App button located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will initiate the process to connect Clover with your QuickBooks account. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the authentication process. This typically involves granting the necessary permissions for both platforms to share and sync data effectively. Don't worry, this step is perfectly safe and ensures you have control over your data's accessibility. Once the connection is successfully established, you'll notice that all of your transactions from Clover will start appearing within QuickBooks. You can find these transactions by navigating to the Transactions section on the left panel and within the App Transactions tab. Here, you'll see the synced data, allowing you to seamlessly monitor and manage your sales through QuickBooks Online. This integration not only saves time, but also ensures accuracy by reducing the need for manual data entry. And that's all there is to it. You've now connected your Clover sales to QuickBooks Online effortlessly. With this integration, managing your business finances has never been easier. It automates the data synchronization process, providing you with more time to focus on other important aspects of your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your business operations with QuickBooks.